फर्टिलिटी आईवीएफ ने आईवीएफ ग्रुप हासिल करके अपने नेटवर्क को 50 क्लिनिक तक बढ़ाया। 22 अगस्त 2024। बिरला फर्टिलिटी एंड आईवीएफ हिंदुस्तान का तीसरा सबसे बड़ा आईवीएफ नेटवर्क और $3 बिलियन सी के बिरला ग्रुप का हिस्सा कर्नाटक, महाराष्ट्र और तमिलनाडु में 12 आईवीएफ क्लिनिक्स के हुसूल का ऐलान करते हुए अपना आगाज कर रहा है। फर्टिलिटी आईवीएफ अब मुल्क भर में 50 क्लिनिक चलाएगा। ये हुसूल बिरला फर्टिलिटी और आईवीएफ के स्ट्रेटेजिक तौसी मंसूबे का एक अहम जुज़्व है, जिसकी मालियत 500 करोड़ से ज़्यादा की सरमायाकारी की जाएगी। केराला में आईवीएफ चीन हासिल करने के 3 माह के अंदर इस दूसरे हुसूल के बारे में बात करते हुए उनती बिरला, चेयरमैन और बानी फर्टिलिटी आईवीएफ ने कहा, फर्टिलिटी आईवीएफ में हम हमला साइंस की देखभाल लाते हैं। मैं इसके बारे में पुरजोश हूँ और ये मज़ीद जोड़ों और ख़वातीन के लिए मौक़े फ़राहम करने वाला है। हम ज़रख़ेज़ी की जांच और फर्टिलाइजेशन को बेहतर बनाने के लिए आलमी तंजीमों के साथ शिराकत दारी करेंगे। उनके वालिदैन के सफ़र में हमें आईवीएफ क्लिनिक्स के साथ अपनी शिराकत का ऐलान करते हुए खुशी हो रही है, जिन्होंने ज़रख़ेज़ी की देखभाल के शोबे में मुसलसल शानदार कारकर्दगी का मुज़ाहरा किया है। इस मौके पर खिताब करते हुए अभिषेक अग्रवाल, चीफ बिजनेस ऑफिसर बिरला फर्टिलिटी एंड आईवीएफ ने कहा, हम अपनी आलमी महारत और जदीद तरीन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से फ़ायदा उठाने और बैन अल-अक़वामी मेयार के मुताबिक गैर मामूली हमल की शरह हासिल करने के लिए पूरे हिंदुस्तान में तौसी कर रहे हैं। खिदमात की जामे रेंज में अमराज निस्वां के तरीक़ाकार, मर्दाना अफजाइश के इलाज, लिपरविस्कोपक तरीक़ाकार, जीनियाती स्क्रीनिंग, तशख़ीस और अतिया दहिंदगान की खिदमात शामिल है। बेबी साइंस के बानी डॉक्टर मंजूनाथ CS ने कहा, हम इस सरकर्दा कौमी ब्रांड के साथ हाथ मिलाने के लिए पुरजोश हैं ताकि हमारे मरीज सनत की बेहतरीन साइंस से मुस्तफ़ीद होते रहें और हम महाराष्ट्र, तमिलनाडु और कर्नाटक में तरक्की के साथ साथ ऑपरेशनल इजाफा के मुंतज़िर हैं। बिरला फर्टिलिटी और आईवीएफ इस स्ट्रेटेजिक अक़दाम पर तबसरा करते हुए अक्षत सेठ, नायब सदर CK हेल्थकेयर ने कहा, इस कदम के साथ फर्टिलिटी आईवीएफ का मकसद बेदारी पैदा करना और काबिल एतमाद ज़रख़ेज़ी का आला।
Ladies and gentlemen, I am so excited to stand before you today as the chairman and founder of CK Birla Healthcare. With great excitement, I announce our recent acquisition of the Baby Science network of clinics in southern and western India, marking a very significant milestone in our journey. At Birla Fertility and IVF, trust is not just a word, it's literally the cornerstone of our identity. And with this acquisition, we now stand as India's fastest growing and third largest IVF network. Remarkably, this is our second acquisition in less than 4 months, highlighting our real aggressive investments in geographical expansion and quality, of course. And we will continue to invest in talent, people, technology, and state-of-the-art infrastructure to ensure and to continue excellent patient outcomes. The Indian IVF services market is growing at a staggering rate of 16%, and this growth reflects the increasing demand for fertility treatments in coming years. At BFI, we are committed to making world-class fertility care accessible throughout the country and beyond. Dr. Manjunath and his team at Baby Science share our core values of clinical excellence, compassionate care, transparency, and a patient-centered approach. Their expertise and unwavering dedication are vital as we broaden our reach and ensure consistent, high-quality care and service excellence across our entire network now of 50 centers. Our journey began a long time ago with the establishment of our first clinics around the north. And recently, we successfully expanded to the west with new clinics in Ahmedabad and Surat, further extending our services in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Additionally, in May, we acquired ARMC IVF, that's May 2024, which has 7 clinics across Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu.
Rates in this category, and to invest in people. Today there is a dearth of medical professionals in India, and we are committed to make investments to help solve the problem in this category. Our treatment approach, our clinical approach is the reason why we are able to provide industry-leading outcomes. Number one, when we look at an infertility patient who comes to us for help, we are able to provide them a comprehensive fertility treatment solution. Everything under one clinic. They don't have to go here and there. We are supported by a panel of global advisors, and how that helps us is they help us bring right technology as per international standards and the right protocols which we then help our patients with. At the core of what we are trying to do and what defines us in a single sentence, if you might ask, is our philosophy, and you see it all around. We stand for all heart, all science. That's what defines us. What it means is, it's not just about the science of conception that we are trying to deliver, but it is also bringing the care for our patients back into the science. Our multidisciplinary teams across our clinics, so it's not just clinicians, but they're supported by counselors, endocrinologists, andrologists, who help to come together to deliver the right treatment for our patients. With this partnership with Dr. Manjunath and Baby Science team, we will be looking at almost a top position in Karnataka now. Dr. Manjunath brings 18 years of experience in this area. He is known for his unrivaled outcomes in this category, not just in Karnataka but nationally. He is also a published author and has written a book about this topic. He is an accomplished hysteroscopic surgeon, and I am very excited, and we as Birla Fertility and IVF are very excited in joining hands with him. This will help all of us to be able to provide superior clinical treatment for our patients. And the reason why this partnership happened is because Dr. Manjunath has built Baby Science with the same ethos of patient care and bringing the right ethical and clinical practices for patients and trying to bring the best outcomes for patients. We share the same values and ethos for our patients, and hence we believe this partnership will help complement each other's strengths and provide better outcomes nationally.
This Baby Science IVF in 2020, we means myself and my two techie friends, Mr. Umesh and Mr. Santosh, in 2020, right in Bangalore. And having this announcement of this partnership in Bangalore gives me immense pride, and it is of great importance. In last 4 years, after starting first center in our Bangalore, Baby Science expanded its centers across the cities, like in Karnataka 7 centers, Mumbai, Delhi, Haryana, and in Chennai, that is in Tamil Nadu. So we started this Baby Science with a vision that we need to bring an exceptional fertility care for the needy couple with lot of science research, backup services to our patients. As Abhishek has mentioned that the infertility problem affects 1 in 6 couples in general and 1 in 4 couples in metros. So this itself highlights the fact that we need to be having high technology and a more research based services should be catered to these needy couples.